This recipe is for sheet pan chicken fajitas. This is a recipe that can easily be adapted for either beef or pork and also works well with vegan protein sources. The ingredients for this recipe include your protein source, and in this case we're using chicken breast. You need green and red bell peppers. Orange or yellow work also. You need some onion, some flour tortillas, sour cream, and cheese of your choice. I started by pounding chicken breast to a uniform size, and then I cut it in small strips. I then mixed together a fajita seasoning mix. I'll leave this recipe for you in the description, but it's basically 2 teaspoons chili powder, ½ teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon paprika. I'm using Hungarian paprika because I don't have a Spanish paprika right now, but that would work better here because it would add a nice smokiness to the dish. I added ½ teaspoon onion powder, and mine is quite old, so I had to grind it up before adding it to my recipe. I added 1 teaspoon sugar for just a hint of sweetness. I added ½ teaspoon garlic powder, ½ teaspoon ground cumin, and if you want some heat, 1/8 teaspoon cayenne. But I didn't add that to mine because the paprika I'm using did have a little bit of heat. I prepped this on the weekend for an easy weeknight meal. I added part of the seasoning to the meat along with some oil and massaged it in, making sure that it was evenly distributed. I then refrigerated it until ready to use. I also cut up the onions and peppers and placed those in a bag. You can cut up the vegetables and chicken, add the spice mixture, and then all you have to do is throw it on a sheet pan, bake them, and your meal is ready. My family loved this recipe so much. Not only was it tasty, but it was super simple and can be prepped ahead of time, which is perfect for anyone with a busy schedule. The day that I made these, I was keeping it easy and I just served it directly from the pan with some warm tortillas, some sour cream, cheddar, and pinto beans that I had made in my crock pot, and it was just very simple but delicious. Thanks so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one.